Hi friends, welcome back to Frosty Eye Candy. So I must apologise if you can hear a bit of a whirring in the background and the sound. That'll be the air conditioning upstairs. It's gone a bit warm again, so I've had to adjust my mixture a little bit, but here's the colours. We are going to be using, probably in this order, but not definitely in this order. Nightfall, this little piggy. This is beautiful, gorgeous purple colour. Absolutely lovely, beautiful depth to it. So that's Nightfall. And we're going to use a lot of pigs in a row here. We're going to see how this pans out. Next we've got Twinkle, which is this beautiful interference blue violet. See if I can get the violet, I'm not too sure. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous interference piggy. Twilight. Oh no, sorry, Twinkle. Twilight was the one before. Next, shh, don't tell anyone, I think it's my new favourite. Golden Peach. Absolutely, I've showed you it before, I'll show you it again. Just phenomenal, beautiful, beautiful colour. It just really works magic in a pour or a swipe or a bloom. And then next up we've got Funk. Another one of our favourites. This is one of the neon colours, so it's UV reactive, so it will fluoresce under black light basically. But this is Funk. And then last, well this is it, I can't make my mind up. Either I mixed up the last of this, as you can see it's empty completely, but this is Liquitex Iridescent Rich Bronze, and as you can see it is an opaque. So I mixed up the last of that, and also mixed up, couldn't help it, some of my latest favourite, the Opera Pink Gouache. This is semi-opaque, you can see the little square is half filled in on a diagonal. So I'm not sure whether I'm going to use the bronze or use the pink, but you'll definitely see in a minute when we start to lay the colours down. Okay then friends, I'm going to zip it, we're going to get the camera pointing down, and we're going to get on with some painting. Okay then, so I've decided we're going to start with the TLP Nightfall. Gorgeous purple colour. There we go. And yeah, just to show you the consistency of my paints, guys. They just hold up for about a second or two and then they go back into the surface tension. But look at this beautiful Nightfall. Just absolutely gorgeous colour. Next I'm going to put down Twinkle, the interference blue violet. Let's be a little bit more generous with the Twinkle. There we go. Just a little bit more. And next, the gorgeous and beautiful, just look at this guys. Just absolutely incredible. Incredible colour. So beautiful. Golden Peach, so let's be nice and generous with the Golden Peach. Oh, look at that contrast with the Golden Peach and the dark purple of that Nightfall underneath the interference Twilight. Interference Twinkle. So next, for another great contrast, I'm all about contrast with my colour palettes. Here we go, gorgeous, fantastic Funk. And now, made a decision, we're going to use the rich iridescent bronze. And wow, this is a fantastic colour, guys. Yeah, the iridescent rich bronze from Liquitex in the soft body acrylic. It's just glorious, glorious colour. Okay, well, our colours have just kind of got away from us on one side a little bit. Let's just put them back. Now it's just going to do a drizzle of the rich bronze. It is an opaque, we don't want to put too much down. We're just really putting it down just for the cell activator to sit on top of something a little more substantial than just a pigment. And I'm going to put down the Prussian blue cell activator. I'm using the Shelly Art recipe. If you want to know what the Shelly Art recipe is, please go into the descriptions of this video. It's an online course and I have a 15% discount code that can be used as many times. You can share it with your friends. That's the Prussian blue cell activator. Look at it already haloing up, great. And now titanium white cell activator. So excuse me now while I try and blow this out decently. Okay, well that came out interesting. Another one of Frosty's interesting blows. I'm just going to use a straw, see if I can help a couple more cells come up in the middle here. There we go, beautiful. Oh wow, we've got some crazy gorgeous cells happening over there. Okay, so while we're just waiting for the last of that cell activator to sink down and the pillow paint to come back underneath, I'm just going to do the usual and just wet the edges, my friends. Because again, if you've joined me for the first time, we are painting in my kitchen. My darling wife lets me do this, which is ever so nice of her. And the deal is, I don't cover the kitchen with paint. So that's why I call my videos clean acrylic pouring. It's just, you know, how to work in a space that you don't want to or are unable to cover in paint. Wow, that's looking pretty spectacular. See if I can just hold it up for you guys. There you go. So let's just tip her over a bit this way and give her a spin. Wow. Okay, let's just tip it over this way a little bit. Okay, so let's give her the anti-clockwise spin. Remember friends, my fingers are just on the edge of the board here, just catching the drips as soon as they start to work their way out, because we don't want any drips on the floor. Okay, wow. She came out quite pretty, even if I say so myself. Not really got that much movement anymore. I'll give her one more spin. Wow, these beautiful iridescent pearl cells, I'm going to call them here, with the interference blue violet from Twinkle. Gosh, I love that piggy so much. And then we've got the gorgeous gold shift from the golden peach. So I'm going to pick her up, I'm going to hold her up and see if I can get some of that beautiful shimmer in the lights for you guys. Okay, well there you have it my friends, thank you very much for joining me. This turned out rather well, so I'm going to use this colour palette in the next video and we are going to try something new. Thank you very much for joining me my friends. Please like and subscribe, share the video if you like what you see here, leave a comment, they're active, and as always, happy pouring.